Hola, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So, check it out. We are going to be doing some stamping Saturday nails. Bam! And the theme this week is drinks. So, I chose coffee, which is my favorite drink. I love that thing like every day I want coffee. But I also think coffee is very versatile. You know what I mean? You can have coffee in anything. Throw coffee in anything. So that's basically going to be our little theme here. I am going to be using some of these little coffee things right here. And I think beans. I think I really want this. I'm not 1000% sure whether that's going to make it because what's happening is I'm going to be using these ladies. I'm sure you remember them. So I want the ladies that are drinking. You can have coffee in your wine. You can have coffee in your you gotta drink in your coffee. You got regular coffee like me, or you could go ahead and put in your juice. I mean, whatever you want to do. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be getting these little drinking ladies right here, and we're basically gonna say, coffee, have it your way. You know what I mean? Like Burger King. I mean, it works, right? And the color we're gonna be using is this one by Chameleon. I've not used it. So beautiful. I've used it on myself. I've had it on my toes for like a month. I love it so much. It is a thermal and it changes into like a light purplish color. It's just really pretty anyway. First, scrap the purple. I'll probably make that up. I think it's this light. Let's check it out. But it has a lot of beautiful little sparkles and little flakies. See, so like pink, blue, a dark pink. They're just so pretty. So we're gonna do two coats here, and I'm sure we'll be able to see the color change at some point during this process. But here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up the smaller images over here for these three ladies instead of the bigger ones. Here we go. Homegirl that put liquor in her wine. Coming right up. Maybe you just like your coffee like me, a little cream, you're done. Maybe you do it at work, you know what I mean? At church, I don't know, wherever you're doing it, and you need it in your little juice cup, you can't let anybody know what's really going on. Maybe you at the gym, I mean, bam, have it your way. I'm not encouraging day drinking or nothing, wait. Who put coffee in their juice? What the fuck? I'm getting real confused. I'm mixing up coffee with the liquor. Maybe it's liquor, have it your way. You know what I mean? Straight up in your coffee or in your juice. There we go. Dude, oh man. I'll be tripping up. Okay, so see, that's the color that it turns into. I was just touching him and then he turned into that. Alright, so we have our three girls. We're switching gears because apparently you're not gonna put coffee in juice. So what we could put in juice is liquor, right? So liquor, have it your way. Straight in coffee, in juice, right? But hear me out, right? Here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna put this on the thumb right here. Adulting sucks. Let's get drunk and be unicorns, right? This is from the duck plate. Cute as a duck or something like that. So I'm gonna put that on there and then let's pick up a unicorn and put him there on our pinky. One of these cutie pies. You'll have to be a smaller one though if he's gonna fit here. You know what I mean? Yep, let's do it. Okay, so now with all of my ladies on there, the little unicorn, we got our big saying here, adulting sucks. Let's get drunk and be unicorn. Yeah, buddy. And now we're going to get some more from here because we're going to say, actually, so I'm going to say straight, right? That's how you can have your liquor. You can have a straight, boom. Then we'll put in coffee. I think this one has coffee. So we'll either be taking coffee from here, or actually I don't think it does. So I'm gonna get coffee from this one right here with that cute little script. Let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and also take the N from here because I like that font. It's cute. Okay, so I got a few words, you know what I mean, put together from these three plates right here, but I don't have juice, so I'm gonna need to put that one together here. And I mean, I love when I can find the word already there. This one has some common words already set up, but if I can't, then I have to put it together, which is not, you know, the funnest, but we're gonna get it done. Let's do juice. I mean, if you can't find the whole word, maybe you could find two of the letters together like this, you know? J-U. Perfect. Now I can get my I, you know, C-E. And it's just one less of a pickup. I may find C-E in here. I don't know. You know. I don't see it. No. Oh, I-C. You know, if I had the I-C together. But I don't have that either. But that's just ways, you know, to put it together. Here we go. Let's just get us an I-C-E. Here we go, guys. Look at it. I love them so much. They're just so cute. And this color is beautiful. I've had it since, let me see here. So it's called Part Fairy. And it's from the February. Little box of horror reanimation is what it was, of course. It's a thermal, but look, it's like jelly-like. You know, you can see through them. That's what makes the blue so pretty. And all those little beautiful flaky. So there you have it though, okay? You already know that adulting sucks ass. You know what I mean? So let's get drunk and be unicorns. Let's be unicorns. Okay, let's go in the hot water. Hold up. Let's see what it looks like when it has that change in color. So, ooh. You see what I'm talking about? It's like a light pink, purple fluorescent look because it's milky. It's milky, but then it has those really beautiful little flakies in there. It's just so gorgeous. Like, why are you so pretty? Why are you like that? And I actually enjoy watching them change back. You know, like in that process. It's just so pretty how it starts happening. They need to get cold. Whatever I blow on them. Look, it's working. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Like, gorgeous. I have too much fun with this. Too much fun. Look at that little water drop. Isn't that fun though? Listen, life be so stressful. It's crazy. You know what I mean? These little things like this, taking pleasure in them, is everything sometimes. It really is, guys. And also liquor. Nah, just kidding. I actually don't even drink, but I feel like I should have a shot. You know what I mean? I should, because I mean, I'm doing these nails. Why shouldn't I? Let's get it, right? Let's do it. Here we are, little celebration for our fitness. Now, I love my little cup holder, but we do need to see. So, we got our little thing here. Let's get them going. A little crown. It's a little apple guy. I don't know. I really don't like the way drinks taste. So that's mainly why I really don't drink. But here we go. Special location. A little shot. Don't want to get too crazy up in here. Remember, guys, do that thing. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa afuera, por dentro. Salud, mamacita. Woohoo! Now remember, take that love and share it everywhere you go. Especially with yourself. It's like the more you make, the more you give, the more you get. And that's type of cycle. Adios. See you next time. Au revoir. Whoa. Hey guys, please remember to like and subscribe.